Today we will do helping verbs am, is, are, was and were. अच्छा आपको पता है I am a boy, I am जो है वो helping verb है, is है, are है, was है और were है. She is a girl, she is a girl. ज़रा इसके बगैर तो ये कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. I am a boy. They are my friends. Full stop. He was a good person. जैसे अब कोई बंदा है वो नहीं है बेचारा और उसकी डेथ हो गई और आप कहते हो he was a good friend of mine या फिर he was a good person. They were my good friends. My good friends थे, यानी अब नहीं है मेरे फ्रेंड्स, वो पहले थे. तो ये और ये पास्ट टेंस के लिए और ये तीनों प्रेजेंट टेंस के लिए जो हम आज की बात करते हैं उसके लिए यूज़ होते हैं. दिस इज सो ईजी. इज आर एम प्रेजेंट के लिए एंड वॉज वर पास्ट के लिए. नाउ लुक एट other examples. Verbs ending in ing cannot be used without taking the help of other verbs. Faraz is playing football. They are waiting for the school bus. I am feeling thirsty. He was sleeping when the bell rang. We were watching television last night. Was and were. He was sleeping when the bell rang. जब घंटी हुई तो वो सो रहा था. तो when we are talking about a day which has passed, so we used was and were. Each of the ing verbs in the above sentences, playing, waiting, feeling, sleeping, watching, has taken the help of another verb. Is, are, am, was, were. So we see that am, is, are, am or was, were belong to a special class of verbs because they can be used as verbs on their own to tell us how or what a person or thing is. He is a good boy, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. Abraham is ill. They are happy. इनको इसलिए क्या कहते हैं? Helping verbs. क्या कहते हैं? Helping verbs. With other verbs as helping verbs, you should also note that when a helping verb is used with another verb, the two verbs are treated as one unit. Am waiting, was eating, were pushing, is swimming, are pulling and were talking. तो ये किस तरह ट्रीट किए जाते हैं? They are treated as one unit. We can say that waiting, eating, pushing, swimming, pulling and talking are the main verbs and am, is and are and were, was are the helping verbs. ये main verbs हैं और am, is, are, am और ये सारे क्या हैं? is, am, are, was, were are the helping verbs. ये help करते हैं किसी भी verb को complete सेंटेंस की शक्ल देने के लिए, इसलिए इनको क्या कहते हैं? हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स. नाउ लुक, द टू वर्ब्स टुगेदर मेक अप द एक्चुअल वर्ब. अंडरलाइन द वर्ब्स एंडिंग इन ing इन द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. वन हैज़ बीन डन फॉर यू. इसको आपने खुद से हेल्प सॉल्व करना है. दैट अब अगर ज़्यादा बंदे होंगे तो आपने कह देना है वी वर, वी आर और वी वर. वी वर अगर कल की बात है तो वर, एंड दे आर, वी आर. लेकिन अगर आई है, आई एम, ही इज, शी इज, तो इसके लिए इट इज जो है एक बंदे के लिए, एम भी वन पर्सन के लिए, वॉज भी वन पर्सन के लिए, आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर यू, और आर जो है वो ज़्यादा बंदों के लिए, वी, यू, दे. अगर यू जो है वो एक वन पर्सन के लिए यूज़ करें तो यू आर, यू के साथ हमेशा आर ही लगता है. अंडरस्टूड? यू के साथ कभी भी इज नहीं लगता, कभी भी एम नहीं लगता, बल्कि यू के साथ हमेशा अगर ज़्यादा बंदे हैं, प्लस हैं, मोर देन टू पर्सनस, फिर भी यू आर लगता है. और अगर एक बंदा है, वन पर्सन है, सिंगल है, उसके लिए भी यू आर लगता है. अंडरस्टूड? So you will find here that which will take which one. I am waiting for the bus Ovais and Aisha are taking. The verbs and ing, the following sentence one has been underlined करना है verbs को आपने. Ending in ing. Ending in ing वाले verbs को क्या करना है? ये करना है. Are waiting, was staying, were playing. This is so easy to do. The baby is crying because it is hungry. My aunt is taking a nap, is taking. Pick out and write the verbs. इनको क्या करना है? Underline. Are going, was staying, were playing, am waiting, are taking. So this is easy. Pick out and write the verbs in the given blanks. One has been done for you. I am wearing a pair of black shoes. Am wearing. क्या करना है इनको? One has been done. Pick out and write the verbs. Nina put the kettle on the kitchen table. इसको भी यहाँ पे आपने लिखना है. Tony sleeps in the afternoon. They were enjoying themselves at the party. Were enjoying. यहाँ पे कौन सा आएगा? Put. यहाँ पे sleeps. I am feeling very tired. अब इसमें जो helping verb है वो कौन सा है? Am feeling. Nida baked a cake today. Baked. ये क्या है? Verb है. तो इसको आपने यहाँ पे लिखना है. We are going to a party today. Are going. We will write here. Are going. They were buying new clothes for Eid. Were buying. The book belongs to Zain. Belongs. I am reading a book. Am reading. Harry entered the classroom. Entered. Fiza is eating chocolate biscuits. Is eating. Okay. So what we have to write here? We will write pick out and write the verbs in the given blanks. One has been done for you. इसी तरह अब आपने pick out and write the verbs in the blank spaces. Some sentences may have more than one verb. One has been done for you. एक के अंदर दो से ज़्यादा verbs भी हो सकते हैं, दो भी हो सकते हैं. Dania and Arham packed their bags and went to school. यहाँ पे went की second form क्या होती है? First form क्या होती है? First है go, went, gone. और pack, packed, packed. तो packed verb है और एक went verb है. तो दो verbs हैं तो दो verb लिखें, एक है तो एक लिखें. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet. Sat. He lent me the book he was reading. अब reading, was reading हो गया और एक lent हो गया. Gul was sleeping when her father came home. Was sleeping first verb और came second verb. Jack and Jill went up the hill and fetched a pail of water. Fetched भर के लाए. Went up. These are the two verbs. Went and fetched. Cinderella was dancing. Was dancing भी एक verb हो गया. With the prince when the clock struck 12. Struck. Struck is also a verb. And you will write here struck. Now there are two verbs, was dancing and struck. Okay.